I
Can we talk?
yeah, whatever. It doesn't really matter.
Okay. Because you'll just cut it out, right?
If I want to. It's okay, I will.
Bruh.
Trust me, I will.
Okay.
Anyway,
Okay. Do, do,
this does not
do.
look like an Iowa class gun, but
You
nobody
say it's a
cares.
USS Missouri / Iowa class slash. Just say USS Iowa.
Whoever, yo, no. Whoever actually make this will have both a lot of time on their hands and a lot of boredom.
Like the turret?
Yeah,
Why?
because yes.
But why? Why
No,
will
I'm
they
only
be
kidding.
bored making it?
No, I'm saying like they will be bored. Like, I'm saying. Oh my gosh, so hard to explain. You know, what?
No.
Never mind. I
Just
mean,
tell me. Just
there,
tell me.
there is no way this will actually work. Oh,
A turret tutorial.
by the way, the turret is technically still an experimental design. I never really decided on using it.
Also, all I'll do is just remove those side things. No, those you can just remove those for the tutorial. But like in the end, you'll like put if you're making USS Missouri, put these things on the side. Okay,
Bruh.
just say that.
Honestly, it
Yeah.
doesn't really matter. And besides, I
Okay.
have no business on what they're making. And probably why they're following this tutorial. They want to put it on their custom BB.
Okay. I know. Still, you should do it. Ooh, Scooby.
Oh
Ooh.
God,
Okay.
I just realized something. The back of this, yeah, the back of this is gonna be a kind of an issue.
Oof.
I should be able to do it.
Ooh. What if somebody made a tutorial, but they were like so lazy that they didn't even like show you how to make it, and they just loaded like the thing, then just showed you and told you the blocks to place, although they didn't even tell you how, like where to place them.
That would be just so mean.
And lazy.
hmm But still, but still, we're just kids. We don't really have an opinion on what other people say or do.
Yeah.
It's like when you're a kid, it's almost like nothing you say sometimes won't matter unless it's actually serious.
Mhm.
Like sometimes one of my main instincts when someone says something like nothing you say matters because you're so little, I would sometimes go, well, nothing say like eat. Wait, hold up, ow. Sometimes I would go something like, well, who cares? Because it's obviously sometimes important. Yo, the hair might be
Mhm.
looking good,
Okay.
slightly.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave like a space for me to put the turret in. E.
E.
Okay, hold on. So first, before I put the turret anywhere, I'm just gonna put like the little details and stuff because I want to make this as detailed as I can.
E,
Like
I know.
actually, though. Hold on one second. E, hello?
Yeah? What's up?
Huh? E.
Yeah?
E, what? What?
Nothing. E. I'm just checking.
What?
I'm just checking. Read.
What? Mhm. Building a battleship. Nobody. No, 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 I don't even make money. Mm-hmm. Okay. Bye.
E.
Okay, back.
Okay, good.
E, I need a picture of the deck so I can put the details and stuff. Actually, should I make the deck detailed?
I guess.
Wait, this is Yui slash me. What should I make after? Yeah.
Yeah.
What should I make after USS New Jersey?
I don't know. Finish up your Alaska?
No, I'm of course never gonna finish that because I can't because of some technical issues. We have some technical issues with the Alaska, which will cause me to not be able to finish. So, yeah, no. Sadly, I can't. Hello?
Yeah?
Nothing.
Bruh, here, calm down. Bruh. Well, that was a coincidence.
What? What happened?
World of Warships opened up. XD.
So I guess I'll be in the background. Yay. Nice. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Right now?
Kinda. Alright, that's that.